Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi everybody. My name is Rosdi Hamzah. I'm a representative of my colleagues names Nur Izzah Arina, Nur Alia Antasha, and Iman Eliana. We are from Polytechnic Engkau Omar, Ipoh, Malaysia. I will present our project idea titled Smart Shilling Cabinet. This presentation will divide in 4 sections, which are introduction, problem statement, methodology, and conclusion. Most affordable housing in big cities is small in size. The same goes for office space. Many employers choose to conduct their business in small office to avoid high rental that will increase operating costs. Usually, each workspace contains equipment such as desks, chairs, cabinets, computers, and files. As a result, the workspace is getting smaller, crowded, and making it difficult for staff to move. A small workspace will cause unorganized situation and messy place. This situation also makes the employees unfocused and difficult to find the necessary documents or files immediately. This will affect the employees' work quality, which leads to negative impact of the companies. One way to optimize workspace is to build and design smart shilling cabinets. A smart shilling cabinet will be placed on the ceiling of the office. The cabinets can move up and down using a pneumatic or linear actuator. This pneumatic or linear actuator will be mounted on the ceiling and placed with the cabinets. This smart shilling cabinet also include with the systematic file storage management. All this function can control by an apps on Android mobile phone named MIT Inventor 2. According to Katrina Pedicuri 2014, MIT App Inventor is a visual programming environment for creating applications for Android-based smartphones and tablets. It constitutes an alternative, quick, easy, but also powerful programming platform as it allows the development of apps using database, interactive maps, and other advanced concepts. And most importantly, we do not have to write code. And one more important part of the project is Arduino Nano. According to Dennis Sullivan, Wen Chen, and Abhilash Pandya 2017, Arduino Nano is the best board to get started with electronic and coding. Arduino Nano is microcontroller board based on the 80 Mega 328P. Arduino Nano pinout contains 14 digital pins, 8 analog pins, 2 reset pins, and 6 power pins. It comes with an operating voltage of 5 volt. However, the input voltage can vary from 7 to 12 volt. The objective of this project are to control the movement of the cabinet from the ceiling using Arduino Nano, to provide a database system to facilitate the process of storage and searching file, and to develop Android-based apps software using MIT Inventor 2 for wireless phone control. To develop this project, there are a primary components will be involved. Arduino board as microcontroller, relay, linear actuator, QR code generator, database, MIT Inventor 2, and file cabinet. The proposed system shown is use wireless technology to control the linear actuator using Android smartphone. MIT Apps Inventor 2 should install to Android smartphone. Database system will attach to the apps. A most important part is Arduino Nano to control the project. A central control system named Arduino Nano will interface with HC05 Bluetooth module and two channel relay single pole double throw. Digital pin number 4 and pin number 5 from Arduino Nano will connected to input 1 and input 2 of two channel relay. In addition, pin Vin or input voltage and ground also connected to the relay. For connection on relay, we will use wire to connect it from normally open on relay number 1 to normally open on relay number 2. Then we will take second wire from normally open number 1 connected to 12 volt DC supply. This is 12 volt DC supply will be used for the linear actuator motor. After that, we will connect the second wire from normally closed connection on relay number 1 to normally closed connection on relay number 2. This is for ground connection that will be used for linear actuator motor. Common pin on relay will connect to a linear actuator, while digital pins D2, DX, D3 and RX or receive and TX or transmit pin at Arduino Nano board will connect to transmitter and receiver on the Bluetooth module respectively. However, for user-friendly use, user will control the project using an apps on the Android mobile phone. These apps will consist of up button, down button, stop button. All these buttons will control by Bluetooth. It also have QR code generator. This QR code generator is used to scan QR code and to set the location of file store. In this app, also should have a search button to find back where is the location of the file. A flowchart is showing a process of using smart shielding cabinet. It divides to two sections. The first section is a process how to store the documents or files. Before store the file, the user needs to create QR code using QR code generator. Give the QR code's ID with their own name and cabinet's name. As example, user should name the A file and set the location of the file. Then print out the QR codes and paste to each file with different QR code. Scan QR code using QR code scanner on MIT App Inventor at Android mobile phone, and the data will appear with the location of the file. The data will store in spreadsheet in database. Then the user have to turn on Bluetooth on Android mobile phone and open the application MIT App Inventor. By using down button on the apps, the cabinet will move down. The user can adjust the suitable height by using stop button. The user can put or store the file into the cabinet, either cabinet A or cabinet B, according to the QR code setting. After that, push up button to move the cabinet up by using MIT Apps Inventor. The second process is to take or bring out the file. The user should type the names of file names on the search button of the apps. The name file and the location will appear on the system to show the location of the file. User can press the down button to move the cabinet down and take the file according the location given, and press up button to move back the cabinet to the place. This slide shows how to move the cabinet down. First, the user can press the down button at the MIT apps on Android mobile phone. The user also can adjust the height of the linear actuator by pressing the stop button. The linear actuator will stop the movement according to height level needed. User can scan file using QR code and store the file according the file location setting. To find back the file, user can type the file's name at the search button. These apps will give the location of the file. The user can take it at the location given. To move up the cabinet, the user can press the up button. The linear actuator will move up the cabinet. This is how the system will be functioned. As conclusion, with this smart shielding cabinet, a small workspace can be used to the maximum. All files and documents will be stored in more organized. The process of retrieving files becomes faster and easier and leads to a better task efficiency. Thank you.